I'm Alexis Atkinson. I'm in the cosmetology pathway within the Human Services Career Cluster. Within the cosmetology pathway, I have learned that it's really amazing to work with other people as far as clients and working with other people as far as doing hair as well. We do makeup, facials, hair, makeup, all kinds of things, and hair coloring, and it's really fun to be around. Something I found most valuable within this pathway would have to be having a connection with my clients, just because many people don't have that relationship with their clients, which causes a little bit of distrust. But once you have that relationship and that loyalty, you'll know that they can trust you, they'll come back, and you will always be that person that they can talk to, or somebody that they trust with their hair, with their makeup, with your opinion. Some of our hands-on experiences that we do is hair color, and we have washing bowls and shampoo bowls that we are able to work on as far as our mannequins as well. They provide you with everything that you can possibly need. We have blow dryers as well, and we also have brushes, everything you can need to do your cosmetology work. So for your certifications that we earn in cosmetology is we have hours which are connected as far as to Lee College as well. So while you're taking the class, you're also taking Lee College hours, and we take our written exam your senior year. And with the written exam, it's basically questions that they ask you, like what kind of hair color can you make with this, or what kind of facial is this. But as far as the hands-on exam, you do hands-on things, and you're able to work on your mannequin and able to actually make the process come to life. So for the career options that this pathway opens up for me, as far as me myself, I am going to be going to college for businessing, and I hope to one day open up my very own salon, which has everything all in one: facials, hair, makeup, everything you can possibly need, because we're rushing and we have to, always find these stores, one place here, one place there, but instead you can just go all into one and find everything you can possibly need.